Huawei expected to launch a new wearable device, the Huawei Watch Fit 3. A few alleged Watch Fit 3 renderings have surfaced online reflecting a familiar look. The leaked images shared by Roland Quant. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 looks same as the Apple Watch. It has a square dial with rounded corners, the rotating digital crown at the top right side and another physical button below mimic the Apple Watch's design. The device features a band without any traditional lugs. All those design characteristics make the Huawei Watch Fit 3 look like any Apple smartwatch. It would be very hard for other people to tell if it's an Apple Watch or its clone. Huawei Watch Fit 3 offer 4 colors: blue, pink, white, and a slight peach shade. We can expect the Huawei Watch Fit 3 to launch in the coming weeks. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.